Let's write one together. Here we have a simple node server. First, we're going to create the Docker file. And inside this file, we're going to write the steps and instructions to run the server. In order to write the steps, you need to know the steps. So you need to understand how to run the server. First, you get your code, then you go into the file or directory, download your dependencies, and then you run the server with the npm start command. Now that you understand how to run the server, all we have to do is write all that in our Docker file. So at the top of your Docker file, you're going to write from. Every Docker file starts with this command. Now we have to select a base image, and a base image is basically just our starting point. We can use the officially supported Node.js base image that comes with everything we need. So in our Docker file, we're going to write from node:22. All we have to do now is write the instructions to start the server. Underneath the from command, you're going to type workdir/app. Workdir stands for working directory, and this is basically us telling Docker, hey, start at this point. This is where our code's going to be. Now, Docker is actually pretty smart. It has this thing called layer caching. You can basically imagine every step that we write as a layer, and Docker looks at every layer individually. For layer caching, it goes like this. Layer changed, do it again. Layer did not change, use cache. That's it. So the reason we do this for our dependencies is every time we change our code, it's not going to download the dependencies again. It's just going to use the cache step, which makes our builds way faster.